everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club. How are you all doing? I just wish everyone is fine. As you all know, we always discuss amazing project in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to discuss another great project. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before this, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications.
Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about NeoPeep. NeoPeep is not a joke coin, it's a serious meme coin movement. So here we are to the website of the project. It is inspired by the deep themes of decentralization, resistance to financial oppression and rebellion against centralized control. Inspired by the idea of meme tricks, NeoPeep represents the opening of new class of cryptocurrencies, tried of manipulation and saturation. It is a symbolic, aggressive and culturally disruptive, a battle cry for financial sovereignty. So first of all, here we are going to get some of their links to purchase this. First of all, you have to connect wallet from here and then you will be able to purchase this token. And here we can see that here we are going to get that it is based on 3 network: Ethereum, USDT and USDC. So here first you have to connect your wallet and then you are going to get your NeoPeep token easily. But first we must be able to know more about the NeoPeep. NeoPeep is not just another crypto token, it's a movement for genuine financial freedom, decentralization and disruption of crypto landscape. It's your chance to join a revolution against centralized control and be at the forefront of an unrepresented pre-sale structure. Act fast to secure your role in shaping crypto history because the stage moves quickly. NeoPeep's revolutionary edges are mentioned here. NeoPeep defines meme coin tradition, leading the fight against crypto decentralization and designed to dominate. Act fast, NeoPeep visionary pre-sale lets you shape the crypto decentralized future. Unmatched innovation. So here we can find empowerment through action. NeoPeep is now and drive for meme tricks revolution forward. Okay, so here we can find how to buy. Okay, let's come to the process of buying NeoPeep. So you can buy NeoPeep from just in 3 simple steps. First of all, you have to connect your wallet. You can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then you have to select the network. You can choose Ethereum, Base Chain or BNB Smart Chain BCS, and then you have to connect wallet. You can tap on connect wallet on the pre-sale dashboard. In step 2, you are going to choose token and amount. Select Ethereum, USDT, USDC or BNB. Then you have to set your amount, enter your desired amount to view how many NeoPeep tokens you will receive, and then you have to simply approve transaction. For sustainable coins, you can approve contract first. In the last and third step, you have to confirm and buy, review your details, then confirm purchase. You can confirm in wallet, approve the transaction in your wallet pop up, and you are going to tokens arrive directly in your wallet after successful confirmation. So in these 3 simple steps, you are going to get your NeoPeep. And here we are going to get security in audit. They are partnered with top security firms to audit our smart contract infrastructure. They have code transparency. They are committed to open source principles, so we can read their entire smart contract here. And then they have a rug pull prevention. Their auto liquidity generation mechanism protects the investors and maintains coin price sustainability. Their smart contract has been reviewed by top auditors to ensure their utmost security, authentication and transparency. And here we are going to get tokenomics details. So now here we are going to get some of the tokenomics details, and for this they have distribute their token in following step. They have total supplies mentioned here, and then 45% is for pre-sale, 25% is for marketing, 10% for liquidity, 10% for development as well, 5% for ecosystem and 5% for gifts. So this structure balance community, incentive, liquidity, health and long-term growth and blockchain and compatibility. Okay, so let's come to the roadmap of the project, that what they have planned for their future and what is the future planning of this project. So the meme tricks is being rewritten step by step, join the more road of revolution. So here we are going to get some of their revolution here. So in quarter 1, they are going to enhance global crypto event presence, launch advanced platform user enhancements, position NeoPeep prominently worldwide. In the phase 2, they are going to begin structure pre-sale launch and their launch official community channels, their complete smart audit report as well. And in third Third subtext, they are going to extension, accelerate pre-sale with targeted campaigns, activate token auto liquidity trader. In 4, expansion, explore initial C exchanges listing, host regular AMAs for transparency. And quarter, so this is the roadmap of the project. Some of the frequently asked questions. NeoPeep is a movement committed to decentralized transparency and true financial freedom. So what different about NeoPeep from other meme coin? Unlike typical meme coins, NeoPeep goes beyond mere hype and serves a deeper purpose. It features a uniquely structured funding-based pre-sale and automatic liquidity generation system and authentic community governance. So if you have any type of question, you can ask there and you will get your answer. Okay, so here we are going to check some of the partners and media of NeoPeep. They are partnered with top security firms who audited smart contract and infrastructure. So their partner includes blockchain.com, bitcoin.com, their Beancrypt, Forbes News, crypto.com. So these are the partners of NeoPeep. And then here we are going to stay connected with their NeoPeep community. You can join to their Telegram, Twitter, and here we have a link tree of the project of NeoPeep. You can join to their social channels. Here we are going to get some of their links here, like YouTube, CoinMarketCap as well. So you can definitely join to this to get some of the recent details of the project. So this is the YouTube channel of NeoPeep. You can subscribe to their YouTube channel as well. And here we have their NeoPeep portal on CoinMarketCap. You can check the CoinMarketCap of this project as well on here. And then here we also have the Telegram, etc. So everything is mentioned here. You just need to click on this and then you are going to get some of the pre-sale. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Thank you.